Beginning in 1968, the Alsip mini mill outside of Chicago had been manufacturing coated papers for use in the publishing industry. But with new ownership in 2015, the plant changed its product line to corrugated cardboard sheets, and a decision was made to retrofit the facility to better focus on the new core business. That presented some challenges.
When we repurposed the facility, we could see that our price of energy was going to go up. We were obviously going to consume a lot more power than we had previously done, so we needed to make sure that we looked at every place and that no stone was left unturned, that we could see where the opportunities were to reduce our costs.
Finding those opportunities was critical, as the retrofit would add $300,000 to Alsip's monthly energy spend. Plant management focused on lighting.
A lot of lighting was in disrepair. When the current owners took over, they saw a need to improve that from a safety standpoint as well as an efficiency standpoint, and to also lower the ongoing maintenance cost of the lighting, because the lights, most of them were original up at the ceiling level especially, and the cost to maintain them was excessive.
But working within a paper mill environment presented its own unique set of concerns.
Paper mills are a very industrial process. There's a lot of places that are difficult to work in, paper mills being one of the more difficult ones. There's a lot of steam piping, electrical. A lot of the lighting's very difficult to access.
Parts of our facility are not continuously used throughout the course of the shift. So we wanted those lights to be able to dim down when there was very little occupancy in those areas, and then when people came to work in those areas, the lights would come on.
To help manage these issues, Alsip turned to ENGIE, which, under an initiative called the Energy Revolution, had shifted its focus from just providing power to helping customers find better, smarter, more environmentally responsible ways to consume that power.
Well, ENGIE's been a partner of this facility for many years. They've had some experience, so they came in with their team, developed the project, figured out what it is that we needed, what our goals were, what types of fixtures that we felt were required for our facility and to meet the latest standards.
For the lighting at this facility, we come in at no charge. We literally walk the facility from top to bottom and count all the lights, the type of lighting, the light levels, and then we make a recommendation of what to replace that lighting with.
When we met with others, a lot of people came with just these out-of-the-box applications. ENGIE listened to what our needs were, what we felt was going to be required to be a successful lighting project.
In collaboration with the Alsip team, ENGIE customized a program that hit every one of the plant's targets, not only for safety, but also for savings and efficiency.
The lighting project that we undertook saved a little over $230,000 in the first year. 2.3 million kilowatt hours is what we were able to achieve.
To give you an example of how we were able to save money at Alsip Mini Mill, the engineer specified a 30,000 lumen package fixture for the ground floor of the plant. Once those fixtures were installed and we took some light level readings, we were able to knock the output down by 75% and maintain a safe output of lumens for that area.
Beyond that, the retrofit also reinforced Alsip's commitment to environmental stewardship.
Our facility is 100% recycled. We're recycling raw materials that would normally make their way to a landfill. Efficiency is really a key part of our process. And the lighting project not only helps us lower our monthly electricity bills, but it also helps to decrease our carbon footprint for the facility.
And so by reducing the carbon footprint, the plant owners know that they have a better sustainable path forward. Their electrical costs are lowered, their carbon footprint is smaller, and if they can spread that news to their employees, that's a good message as well for the company and their neighborhood.
Additionally, ENGIE offered the mill a unique way to finance the $1.3 million project.
They not only presented the cost of the project, but they also gave us an ability to finance the project through them on our monthly energy bill. So that was a great opportunity for us.
With the success of the lighting retrofit, Alsip then partnered with ENGIE for another project.
When we shared with ENGIE our desire to improve the efficiency elsewhere in the facility, we looked at our boiler plant. And ENGIE stepped up, and we're now in the process of taking on another larger project, and the lighting even, to improve the efficiency of our boiler plant.
That effort will save Allsip 1.4 million kilowatt hours annually and 1.03 million therms of natural gas, which equates to nearly $500,000 each year in reduced energy costs. In the end, the Allsip retrofit underscores ENGIE's commitment to listening, collaborating, and delivering customers the right solutions in the right way for the right outcomes.
Project's gone off very well. It was professionally installed. It was safely installed as well.
Allsip Mini Mill was great to work with, and we got it done.
And we're very happy, and we're on to other things.